Having a solid retention strategy can help to drastically reduce churn and increase retention. So, in under 2 minutes, let's share specific steps on how to increase customer retention. The first step with developing your strategy is to collect data. Churn analysis is important to understand why your customers are canceling, and just as importantly, when. Depending on your subscription platform, you may be able to look at your analytics to see when customers churn. You can also reach out to canceled customers directly and ask for their feedback. Based on these findings, you can implement a solid retention strategy. You'll also want to optimize your dunning settings, which is when a customer's payment details decline, like an expired card, to help mitigate passive churn, for example. On the other hand, you can combat active churn by providing frictionless subscription management with a seamless customer portal experience. You can also start to address specific cancellation reasons, like customers saying they have too much product, by offering incentives or giving customers the ability to skip or swap. So let's recap. A solid retention strategy is a two-step process. First, analyzing why your customers are canceling. Then, implementing a tailored strategy based on these findings. If you don't know where to get started, just remember the first step is looking at the data you already have. Thanks for watching. You can check out more helpful videos right here.